Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at AvaFutures. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. AvaFutures is a leading platform at the forefront of futures trading innovation, empowering traders with advanced tools and resources to navigate the financial markets effectively. As part of AvaTrade, a globally recognized brokerage firm established in 2006, AvaFutures offers a robust array of futures trading opportunities across various asset classes, including commodities, indices, and currencies. The platform distinguishes itself through its user-friendly interface and comprehensive educational resources, catering to both novice and experienced traders. AvaFutures leverages cutting-edge technology to provide real-time market data, advanced charting capabilities, and a seamless execution, ensuring traders can make informed decisions swiftly. Through continuous innovation and a client-centric approach, AvaFutures remains a preferred choice for traders seeking a dynamic futures trading experience backed by years of expertise and integrity. AvaFutures offers a diverse range of market instruments designed to cater to the trading needs of a global clientele. Traders can access an extensive selection of futures contracts across multiple asset classes, including currency futures trading, indices, commodities, treasuries, cryptocurrencies, and metals. Each market instrument is supported by robust analytical tools and real-time data, empowering traders to analyze market trends, implement trading strategies, and manage risk effectively. With a focus on providing liquidity and competitive pricing, AvaFutures ensures a seamless trading experience for both individuals and institutional traders seeking opportunities within the futures market. AvaFutures is part of AvaTrade, and as such holds multiple regulatory licenses from a variety of financial regulatory bodies, including the FSCA, the CYSEC, the ASIC, the FSRA, and more. AvaFutures operates under strict regulatory oversight, ensuring a secure and transparent trading environment for its clients. As part of AvaTrade, which is regulated in multiple jurisdictions globally, AvaFutures adheres to rigorous standards set by respected regulatory authorities. This includes compliance with regulations that govern financial markets and protect client funds. By prioritizing regulatory compliance, AvaFutures instills confidence amongst its traders, offering them peace of mind that their investments are safeguarded and their trading activities are conducted with integrity. AvaFutures offers a robust affiliate program through AvaPartner, tailored for individuals and businesses interested in partnering to promote futures trading services. The program provides affiliates with the opportunity to earn competitive commissions by referring new traders to the AvaFutures platform. Affiliates benefit from a variety of marketing tools and resources provided by AvaPartner, designed to facilitate effective promotion and maximize referrals. These resources include customized tracking links, creative banners, and comprehensive reporting tools that allow affiliates to monitor their performance and optimize their marketing strategies. Their affiliate program is ideal for those looking to leverage the brokerage's reputable brand, extensive range of futures products, and commitment to client satisfaction. AvaFutures prioritizes customer satisfaction with dedicated support services aimed at assisting traders throughout their trading journey. Available via multiple channels, including phone, email, and live chat, their customer support team is responsive and knowledgeable, capable of addressing inquiries promptly and effectively. Traders can rely on their customer support for assistance with account queries, technical issues, trading platform guidance, and more. Whether traders are seasoned professionals or new to futures trading, their commitment to exceptional customer service ensures a seamless trading experience. AvaFutures offers the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, a powerful and versatile trading platform designed to meet the diverse needs of futures traders. Built on advanced technology, MetaTrader 5 provides traders with access to a wide range of futures contracts across various asset classes. The MetaTrader 5 platform stands out for its comprehensive features, including advanced charting tools, customizable indicators, and real-time market data. Traders can execute trades swiftly and efficiently with access to multiple order types and risk management tools, enhancing their ability to capitalize on market opportunities. MetaTrader 5's user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both novice and experienced traders, while its compatibility across desktop, web, and mobile devices ensures seamless trading experiences from anywhere. Their integration of MetaTrader 5 underscore their commitment to delivering a robust trading platform that empowers traders with the tools and resources necessary for success. AvaFutures offers a suite of advanced platform tools designed to enhance the trading experience for its clients. Traders have access to a range of tools integrated into the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, including advanced charting capabilities, technical analysis tools, and customizable indicators. These platform tools enable traders to conduct in-depth market analysis, identify trading opportunities, and execute strategies with precision. Their commitment to providing cutting-edge technology ensures that traders can navigate the futures market effectively and make informed trading decisions. Whether traders are monitoring market trends, managing risk, or executing trades, their platform tools provide the functionality and flexibility needed to support a diverse range of trading strategies and preferences. When opening an account with AvaFutures, traders gain access to a comprehensive suite of features designed to optimize their trading experience. These include a user-friendly platform interface that supports both desktop and mobile trading, providing flexibility and convenience. Traders benefit from competitive pricing and low transaction costs, ensuring cost efficiency in their trading activities. AvaFutures also offers a wide range of futures contracts across various asset classes, enabling traders to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on global market opportunities. Additionally, clients receive access to advanced trading tools, real-time market data, and educational resources that empower them to make informed trading decisions. By prioritizing security and regulatory compliance, the platform ensures that client funds are protected and that trading activities are conducted in a transparent and trustworthy environment. With dedicated customer support available via multiple channels, including phone, email, and live chat, AvaFutures stands committed to providing ongoing assistance and guidance to its clients through their trading journey. AvaFutures offers a demo account option designed to provide traders with a risk-free environment to practice and familiarize themselves with futures trading. The demo account mirrors the live trading conditions of the AvaFutures platform, allowing traders to explore various features, test strategies, and gain hands-on experience without risking real capital. Traders can use the demo account to simulate trading scenarios across different asset classes. This enables them to refine their trading skills, understand market dynamics, and build confidence before transitioning to live trading. Their demo account is accessible on their official website, offering traders a valuable resource to learn and improve their trading abilities in a simulated market environment. AvaFutures offers a range of reliable deposit and withdrawal methods to cater to the diverse needs of its traders. Clients can conveniently fund their accounts using major credit and debit cards, bank wire transfers, and popular e-wallets, ensuring flexibility and accessibility. Withdrawals are processed efficiently, utilizing the same secure methods used for deposits, providing traders with quick access to their funds. AvaFutures prioritizes security measures to safeguard financial transactions and protect client funds, ensuring a seamless trading experience. For more information about their deposit and withdrawal methods, traders are encouraged to visit their support page or contact customer service directly for assistance. AvaFutures has garnered recognition in the financial industry through various awards, highlighting its commitment to excellence and innovation in futures trading. Some of their most recent awards include the Best Mobile Trading Platform in Spain, the Best Affiliate Program in the UAE, the Best Educational Broker in the UK, and many, many other awards. These awards reflect their dedication to providing traders with a reliable and cutting-edge trading platform, supported by comprehensive educational resources and responsive customer service. The accolades received by AvaFutures underscores its position as a trusted partner for traders seeking competitive trading conditions and a secure trading environment. The platform offers comprehensive educational resources designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in futures trading. Accessible through the dedicated Learn section, these resources cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to advanced professionals. The educational material provided by AvaFutures covers a wide range of topics, including trading strategies, market analysis techniques, risk management, and platform tutorials. Traders can benefit from webinars, video tutorials, articles, and interactive courses that are regularly updated to reflect market trends and trading best practices. By equipping traders with valuable insights and practical knowledge, their educational resources aim to enhance trading proficiency and decision-making abilities. Whether traders are seeking to expand their trading strategies or deepen their understanding of specific market dynamics, their commitment to education ensures that clients have the tools and resources necessary to navigate the futures market effectively. They also provide insightful market commentary and timely news updates to help traders stay informed about key developments affecting the global futures markets. Accessible through their dedicated market commentary section, these resources offer expert analysis, market trends, and economic insights that traders can leverage to make informed trading decisions. The market commentary from AvaFutures covers a wide range of topics, including commodity trends, economic indicators, geopolitical events, and trading strategies. This information is presented in a clear and accessible format designed to cater to traders of all experience levels. And by offering up-to-date news and expert analysis, AvaFutures aims to equip traders with the knowledge and perspectives needed to navigate dynamic market conditions effectively. Traders can use this information to identify opportunities, manage risk, and optimize their trading strategies. Overall, as a leading platform in the futures trading industry, AvaFutures stands out for its commitment to providing traders with a robust and innovative trading experience. With a wide range of futures contracts across multiple asset classes, AvaFutures offers diverse opportunities for traders to capitalize on global market trends. Through its user-friendly MetaTrader 5 platform, AvaFutures empowers traders with advanced tools, real-time market data, and customizable charting capabilities, ensuring they can execute trades efficiently and effectively. The platform's commitment to security and regulatory compliance provides traders with peace of mind, knowing that their funds and transactions are protected. AvaFutures goes beyond trading by offering extensive educational resources, market commentary, and news updates, equipping traders with the knowledge and insights needed to navigate the complexities of the futures markets. Whether traders are new to futures trading or seasoned professionals, their dedication to education and support fosters a supportive environment for continuous learning and growth. With a focus on transparency, customer satisfaction, and technological innovation, AvaFutures continues to set standards in the futures trading industry. For traders seeking a reliable partner in their trading journey, AvaFutures remains a trusted choice, offering a blend of expertise, integrity, and comprehensive trading solutions. And that is our overview of AvaFutures. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.